Seqwater is undertaking a weed control program here on the Brisbane River. We're just upstream from the Mount Crosby water treatment plant, and our target of the program is to remove the Chinese celtis, which is the plant that's got the yellowing leaves here. It's known to deliver a significant organic load year upon year as it sheds its leaves, and it also inhibits native vegetation growing up on the riverbank. So we'll be undertaking this program over the next 5 years here and aiming to replace the Chinese celtis with native vegetation.
We're here today from AirBorn Insight, flying a fixed-wing aircraft to monitor the Chinese celtis. When we fly, we'll be taking thousands and thousands of images that can be put together into a 3D model to classify how much celtis is through this area for, subsequent monitoring and understanding how well treatment programs are working to remove the weed.